Hi, y'all. Some of y'all are getting damn tired of the arrows that are aimed your way by the low frequency bullshit agendas. You're just getting tired of the shit and you want ways out. You want to escape from the harassment and, the drama that is, affecting you. Well, spells are good to do, and I do believe firmly in self defense spells in particular. And I do spells to help me to transform so I won't be bothered by a lot of this drama that's going on around us in society and in our personal and workplace lives. But again, some spells are necessary to get things in balance. So when you feel inclined by the universe to do spells, then have at it. But don't do them unless you know the universe is leading you in that direction. Otherwise, shit will hit the fan and it probably will come back on you, boomerang. So just be aware that spells ain't nothing to play with. Know what you're doing, because the universe will sure teach lessons accordingly. Anyhow, I had this situation where this neighbor was on a regular basis disrespecting me for no other reason than the fact that I had, I guess, confidence and he envied my self-assuredness, whatever the case may be. I didn't give him any justifiable reason to disrespect me, just put it like that. So I didn't do any spells. I just asked the universe for help with me and coping with my own inner issues in regard to the subject matter. And one day the universe led me to pull a tarot card, and it said it was going to be for him. I pulled the card. I can't recall which one it was. This was months ago. Anyhow, the card did indicate that things were not going to bode well for my neighbor man. Well, I think it was about a week or so. wasn't even a week, I don't think. I can't recall precisely, but it wasn't long that someone outside one night, or maybe it was the wee hours of the morning, I can't remember that either, but they shot a gun and the bullet came through where the man was sleeping. My neighbor man was sleeping. It didn't hit him, but it came through his door. And not long after, I don't think it was a month or two after, neighbor man moved. So I didn't do a spell or anything. The universe just executed the justice that it deemed suitable and fit. And so the neighbor is no longer there, people. And also, I watch a lot of those cable true life crime stories. And I saw an episode where this couple moved into this house and the owner had been gone. The previous owner had been gone. And so the new owners moved in. They were renovating. And they pulled up some cement and they found a dead body under the cement that someone had put there. The murderer had hid the body. And from what they gathered, I think there was something on the woman that indicated, I think the cigarette pack that she had a date on it or something, and it indicated she had been there probably about at least 10 years. And they went hunting for the culprit, the murderer. Well, they eventually found him, and lo and behold, he was mentally and physically incapacitated. He had fell out of a third floor window, and his brain was scrambled. So he was pretty much in a state of being incapable of even knowing what the hell was going on around him. So the authorities didn't do it. The universe exacted and served what he deserved. So he thought he got away with it. And like I said, her body was buried for 10 years about. But he got his justice before the body was unearthed. And I saw another episode where this man killed this woman and he got acquitted in the trial. And he came out of court. They showed him on TV. He was smiling from ear to ear. He was happy. He pretty much he got away with murder, and he was happy that he got acquitted. Well, I don't know how much long after that occurred, the acquittal occurred, but it came out to the detective that was the investigator on the case. He got word from the state the man had moved to that somebody threw him off the roof of a building. So, the human court acquitted him, but the universe found him guilty, and he went off the damn roof. Somebody threw him off, and they didn't say on the program whether that case was ever solved, whether the murderer had ever gotten ever gotten caught. But the detectives, he did mention that there was a form of justice that took place that they didn't have their hands on. So, y'all, sometimes you just got to recognize that the universe will deliver whatever is suitable and necessary, and it doesn't always require a spell. And again, there's no one size fits all. Everything is a case-by-case basis. But sometimes you just need to rest, trust the universe, pull some tarot cards, shit. Do whatever is, necessary for the given moments. And just know that there is no hard and fast rule. There are no hard and fast rules. You just follow your intuition, because the universe is so innovative. It is creative. It is awesome and amazing, and it will reveal things to us that we never read in a book, seen on a video, or experienced, or know of any such experiences. So just know the universe is vast, and don't discredit that it can do so way beyond our comprehension. It is just too awesome to be able to fully understand. Just trust it. Trust the universe and trust what your inner guides and the ancestors share. And just rest more and know that everything ain't that damn deep, and that the universe is always at work and never sleeps. And there's nothing that surprises the universe. It may surprise us, but not the universe. And just know the universe bows to nothing and no one. Ain't nothing having the universe to bow to it. No circumstance, no person, no energy. The universe is not in bow formation, nor will it ever be. No. Thank you for listening, y'all. Bye now.